Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. According to Google CEO Shiba INU may burn. Get ready to leave your job forever. SHIB updates. Just hours after the failure of major Silicon Valley banks threatened the survival of the majority of digital firms, hundreds of festival goers poured into a tranquil retreat on Monday at SXSW. An idyllic digital setting with gracefully swinging bamboo and cherry trees, a distinctive shrine to the Shiba Inu, a kind of Japanese hunting dog, and the motto "We're all gonna make it," a play on the Bitcoin slogan. As a haven from collapsing financial systems, it revealed the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency's creators' plans for the metaverse. Google CEO confirms Shiba Inu burn is the topic of discussion in this video. Get ready to leave your job forever. SHIB updates. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. Last Friday's bank run was just the beginning of the inevitable decentralization of crypto. Using Google Meet, the shrouded figure known only as Satoshi Kusama revealed to Fast Company that he is the principal developer of the Shiba Inu breed. Instead of speaking out, he turns off his video camera and instead enters into a chatbot. Fractional reserves are being signed by him by banks. There will be a rise in the 5% global adoption rate as more individuals become aware of this and chose to diversify. After that, individuals ask, "What is this SHIP thing?" And they discover just how incredible we are. Not that some individuals are unaware of this already. Among Twitter's crypto degens, SHIP may have the most devoted fan base among Web3 evangelists who remain a small but vocal minority. Established 2.5 years ago, the token's devoted followers, referred to as the SHIP Army, took it very seriously, despite the fact that it originated as a joking concept to create a Dogecoin killer in an effort to surpass the competing meme-based token Dogecoin. They used social media to bootstrap a Shiba Inu's value, and the dog went on to become one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies with a $44 billion market cap. In the meanwhile, its universe has grown to include Shiba Swap, a decentralized trade platform, and a library of 10,000 Shiba Shi NFTs, pixelated Shiba Inu characters with various accessories such as a pirate hat and a pizza slice hanging from the dog's mouth. In addition to endorsements from Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin and crypto influencer Elon Musk, the Canadian luggage business Bugatti partnered with Shiba Inu. The meme crowd's lighthearted mocking has developed into a crypto Twitter account with 3.6 million followers, who are also among the platform's most outspoken users, eager to jump on newsbursts and throw out hashtags like #ShibArmyStrong and #HailShib, all while maintaining their promise to skyrocket the SHIB hashtag. It ranked third among all cryptocurrencies in 2022. Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain, debuted in beta last week alongside a suite of new tokens in anticipation of a flagship metaverse. This metaverse will launch with the first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond, marking its most significant advancement to date. Using it, SHIP intends to transcend its status as a meme coin. The strange history of the Shiba Inu is one of its selling points. Even its creator Ryoshi disappeared from the internet without a trace last summer, adding to the air of mystery around the project. He has permanently removed his comically feline-shaped avatar from the Discord servers. However, he left behind some evidence. After the token had amassed 6,000 wallets, Satoshi decided to join the journey that Ryoshi had started. However, ever since Musk's tweets set it soaring, it has been following. Who owns Shiba's money is another unknown. Sales of land plots in the metaverse go toward funding metaverse development as stated by Satoshi, but the funds from the sale of Shiba Shi NFTs go toward other uses. No decision about Leash and Bones tokenomics or team retention of shares has been made as of yet. They wouldn't say whether they collect a percentage of Shiba Swap's fees. They haven't managed to secure any venture funding. Although the term community has been used innumerable times in interviews, blog entries and tweets, it remains SHIP's biggest boast. According to Marcy Jastrow, the chief advisor for SHIP Metaverse, who spoke with Fast Company, the team is already taking Army criticism into account when they plot the metaverse. A company was contracted by the group to build it using the Unreal Engine. There is, however, no creative director. Initially, they create rough sketches in black and white. They then post the drafts on a blog and monitor social media for feedback. After that, they make numerous rounds of tweaks, color corrections, and 3D renderings. An untamed fantasy area teeming with grazing deer and outdoor yoga, the WHMI Temple is the first of 11 zones in development. This group of people isn't limited to just one metaverse, it includes Decentraland, the Sandbox, and the other site run by Yuga Lab, usually perceived as rivalry. However, according to Jastro, the pioneers of a space as new and revolutionary as the metaverse must work together. Akin to the dawn of virtual reality, she explains, we were rooting for a sweep. Simply put, we needed the headset to function. During the crypto winter, when venture capital investment is at a standstill and survival feels more ruthless than ever, it could feel overly nice. Nevertheless, Jastro is not entirely incorrect. Since it is difficult for any metaverse to convince its users to live in a Web3 or even a 3D Web2 environment, what works for one may also work for another. Mark Zuckerberg bet his company's name on the idea of the metaverse after its metaverse division recorded a $13.3 billion loss in 2022, but now Meta is more focused on artificial intelligence than the metaverse, despite his fervent advocacy for Horizon Worlds. Even the most prominent platform, Decentraland, has a low number of daily users, just 8,000, and the Decentraland ETF by Grayscale was selling for 60 cents a dollar towards the end of last year. The value of some metaverse coins has dropped by 80% or more. Shiba Inu's current market capitalization is $6 billion USD, with 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of 0.00001 USD. Previous speculation suggested that the token would reach a value of $1 per token. If this were to happen, an astounding implied valuation of $589 trillion would result from this, much surpassing the world's GDP. The most recent news on Shiba Inu keeps making headlines. Many people are interested in investing in Shiba Inus because of the large returns they might potentially achieve. The number of people who own and trade Shiba Inus is growing in tandem with the breed's popularity. Achieving such a price would necessitate significant decreases in supply, as any prudent investor would understand. Still, the distinctive millennial-driven cryptocurrency's present low price and strong prospective returns are attracting many crypto aficionados. At the time of writing, the token SHIB, which powers the second largest meme coin, Shiba Inu, was trading at $0.00001120, a 15% increase. Earlier in March, the price of Shiba Inus bounced off important descending trendline support, suggesting that a trend change to the north was about to occur. After breaking out in January and rising 96% to a new annual high of $0.00001576 by early February, SHIB then corrected to $0.00001, which happened to coincide with the trendline. Shiba Inu still needs to meet a few conditions before investors can declare a new bull market, even though it has jumped by double digits in the past day. With a market valuation of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme coin is now selling at $0.000112. Shiba Inu's trading volume jumped by 30% to $321 million in the past 24 hours, suggesting that investors are accumulating more of the cryptocurrency in anticipation of a larger price movement in the coming days. At the moment, nevertheless, price fluctuations below $0.00011126 USD are capped by the 100-day exponential moving average. It is still crucial for SHIB to break above this important moving average in order to maintain its breakout from the downward trend line. Important momentum indicators such as the divergence of moving averages show a determined bullish front, even though there is immediate resistance. Following the